guys, we are back. Here we are. Today's gonna be a good day. We're gonna install this the tow hitch on the van, get that ready to go. See if we can't find the hitch and ball at a good deal, and see if we can't try to get towing the car today and make sure that everything's gonna be okay and everything's gonna be fine. I'd like to drive it like in the neighborhood first and take it out a little bit into the city and just make sure that everything's working properly before we go on the freeway, because that's about an hour and a half away and I don't want anything happening. I'd rather it happen now and we can fix and adjust to what we need or what will be better. So let's get this hitch on this van. So there's the hitch, guys. It's the same as the tow bar we had picked up. It is a Reese tow power, capable up to 5,000 pounds, which actually exceeds the van, because the van's only rated up to 3,600 pounds. So this is exceeds everything. Hitch on, the car is hooked up because I just got here to my parents. So let me show you guys real quick. It's hooked up to the car. Over there on that side too. Got this at Harbor Freight, pretty cheap. It's the one with the ball mounted on it already. It's welded on there, 5,000 pound capacity. Harbor Freight, I'd say probably 3,500, so this should do fine. Tow hitch is underneath. But yeah, guys, got that all done. Super excited about it. We're gonna go out test drive. Let's see how it goes. I just removed the throttle body here on the Astro van, and this is what I found. Man, it is dirty. Here, hold on, let me get you guys in there. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. That's that's pretty damn sludgy and dirty, huh? That's the intake runners, guys. The intake for the air. They shouldn't be like that. No way. PVC systems, that's what they do to your car. And that's the throttle body, guys. Look at that, guys. Dang. I've never seen a throttle body that bad. Never. It is just built up. Watch. It's not focusing, guys, but yeah. It's like literally I'm taking chunks out of it. And it still ain't even, yeah. Really thick, guys. But we're gonna get this cleaned up, guys, and get this thing running like new. Alright, so the other day we did the throttle body on the Astro van, and I gotta say, wow, that makes a world of difference, guys. I was having really bad problems shifting between first and second, real jerky, no smooth shifts at all. At first I thought maybe it was the transmission, or I was looking up on forums and it said that it could have been the transmission filter. I need to change that and all that, which I plan on doing later, just for a pre-precaution, especially with towing. You know, it's gonna be rough on the transmission. But it wasn't. It was all the throttle body. It shifts smoothly now. It feels like, it sounds a lot better. It feels like it can breathe, you know? It doesn't, it's not like, you know, when humans wheeze and stuff. No, it doesn't. It's just so much healthier, so much alive, guys. I am so excited about this. Like, it feels like almost like a new van. It's you know, this is going to be a really good deal once I pay this off and this is officially mine. I get transferred to my name and stuff. This is the next step, guys. I just cannot wait. You know, 2 more weeks, we'll be out there at the Salton Sea tearing it up. You know, we are ready to go. 2 weeks from then, we should be headed over there to the track, drifting it up, having a blast. Can't wait. But guys, I gotta go on so I get this video out to you guys. I'm sorry that the content isn't always on the 350Z. You know, I'm just trying. This is like a whole package here we're trying to do, guys. But the interior, I plan on pulling the dash out. Originally I was going to keep the dash in, but I'm going to pull the dash out, take the vent out, slap it underneath the glass, because who needs it, right? Screw it. You know, eventually we'll mod up a dash out of aluminum or something like that, make it look nicer, you know, once we get all the gauges and stuff like that. But for right now, you know, it's kind of floppy and that's not going to pass tech, so we're just going to get rid of the dash. Yeah. Little things, guys, we got to get done, and then we're ready to roll, like getting these tires mounted right here. But yeah, with that said, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. If you guys like what you see, please hit that thumbs up. It would help a lot. Also, if you are new to this channel and you want to see more upcoming videos, you know, please hit that subscribe button. It really helped me out a lot. This channel is only going to get better over time. This is a learning experience for me, but I'm only going to get better at it. So please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that bell, that way you're notified when my newest video comes out. I appreciate the support. Until next time, peace.